Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed and I am currently a data scientist working at Royal Cyber. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic that is delta sharing and how it has revolutionized the field of data sharing. So let's suppose we have a company that where I work at, and now there's another company which is a client company. We have implemented a solution for them and we want to share the data with them, but we have to make sure that the data of the models which we share are governed and secured enough. Moreover, since we are working on Databricks and we want to share it with another platform, we have to make sure that we are efficiently able to transfer data without any silos and with the security itself. That is where delta sharing comes in. It is an open source platform that allows us to share data across multiple platforms with relative ease and very simple manner. So now let us see how delta sharing actually works. In delta sharing, we have basically two sides. One is the data recipient side and the one is data provider side. So the data provider is working on the database platform and the data is being continuously stored in the S3 bucket. Once he performs the entire necessary transformations and pre-processings on the data, now the data is ready in the form of delta tables, and this is where delta sharing servers come in. So the data provider basically generates temporary URLs through which the data can be shared through open source platforms, and the recipient asks for the data using a standard query. So in that way, using that query and the temporary link, the data is directly transferred to the recipient. The important aspect of that is the data can be governed and secured. We can manually identify which type of data which we want to give, and we can restrict the access of the client to specific amount of data. Similarly, the delta sharing is compatible with multiple software platforms including pandas, numpy, spark, so you can use the best platform suitable to you in order to transfer data. Let's see the biggest business advantage of delta sharing, which makes it significantly better than other data sharing platforms. The biggest advantage of delta sharing is that it is being built on the Unity catalog. So now we enjoy the data governance and fine grained security along with the provision of the data to multiple partners at the same time. So imagine that you have a solution and you want to provide different aspects of that solution to different clients or different recipients. You can do that by delta sharing, and since it is actually built on the Unity catalog, your data is going to be secured, and the data this different you can easily transfer this different aspects of that solution to your potential customers. In that way, as a data provider, you are secured and you are convinced that your data is being not only securely transferred, but you have thorough access and provision to the data which you want to transfer. That makes delta sharing absolutely necessary in these modern times. That was it for our brief demo of delta sharing. Roy Cyber is a company that has been working on cutting edge solutions on Databricks and has been utilizing the delta sharing very effectively in recent times. If you want to know more about the technologies we are implementing using delta sharing, feel free to contact us on the email provided. My name is Moaz Ahmed and thank you for joining me for this session. Stay tuned.